Hello and welcome to EDU 573. This is week 1 of your course. So this week we want to look at connecting through communication. And I want you to take a moment and recognize and reflect how everything that you do communicates a message. And when you're running a school building or a school district, you want to make sure that everyone is on the same page and communicating the same message. And when a parent pulls up to your school community and they go to park the car, the first thing they see is their parking lot. And the parking lot communicates a lot. So if you see weeds growing up in your parking lot, you just communicated something to your parents. You communicated that your facilities are not well kept. You're communicating that maybe your maintenance staff and your facility staff is overworked or not equipped with all the resources that they need. So if your parking lot doesn't look sharp and clean and crisp, you're communicating a message to your stakeholders. The next group of people that are huge communicators with your school community are the people that work in the cafeteria. And I would have my director of food services come and tell me as an administrator to an administrator, little Johnny hasn't paid their bill, so we're not going to give them their chocolate milk tomorrow. We're not going to give them their lunch. And if someone's contesting over whether a tab for cafeteria food or beverages has been paid, you can ruin a student's day over something as simple as chocolate milk. So I always told our cafeteria staff workers that if there's an issue with payment on that day, give the student their chocolate milk. Don't embarrass them in front of everyone else. Don't cause them to have a bad day over chocolate milk, and we'll resolve it later. We'll have someone call the parent and discuss the matter. But something as simplistic as whether a student receives their chocolate milk or not sends a message concerning how much you care and what matters within the framework of your school community. And then I would always argue that there's nothing that communicates a message about a facility like a clean bathroom. You see, if your parents walk into your school and they walk into the facilities and they see a clean bathroom, it communicates a message that you care about others, that you care about your appearance, that you care about your students being in a clean facility and an environment that is hospitable to learning. Unfortunately, I've walked into bathrooms that are not clean, and that too conveys a message. You see, far too often in education, we worry about communication campaigns and billboards and commercials and positive public relations. But we forget the fact that a teacher returning an assignment within 24 hours with meaningful feedback, that communicates a message. And when teachers hold on to the students' homework assignments and don't return it within a certain amount of time, that communicates a message. When a cafeteria worker is tired because it's the 4th straight period of lunch and the cafeteria has been loud, and you respond in a way that's not as kind as you would have the first time, that communicates a message. And parents drive up to the campus. The condition of the parking lot communicates a message. So, what one message do you want conveyed out of your school community? It's important to think about what message you want to have your school community convey to your stakeholders. It should be one message, it should be simplistic, it should be clear, and everyone should be on the same page concerning what that message is and how it gets communicated. Because everything we do and everything we say conveys a message to the stakeholders that we're striving to connect with, communicate with, and serve.